Hello, this is a complete guide to setting up a packaging unit into Android. First thing we need is Java. We need the version 1.8.0-77. Google search for Java JDK archive, click on the first link and Control F, search for 8077. It's the first one. Install the Java, just this one. Once you're done, it should be right here, JDK 1.877. The next thing we need is Android Studio 4.0. Google search for Unreal Android setup, then scroll down to Android Studio archive. Again, we need the Android version 4.0, accept the terms and thing. We need the May version of the Android Studio. Yep, that's the one. Install this one. In my case, I already have it installed, which is right here. Click on next. Make sure you have everything installed on the default location because that's where UE is expecting all its files to be installed at. And then once it's done, don't install the SDK that it's asking you to download, because if you do, it's going to install the Android 12 version, and UE does not support, at least the version I have for 4.27. It does not support Android 12 yet, and we have to stick to Android 10. Click on cancel. Do not rerun the setup. Once we're here, go to configure and SDK manager, and here is where we're going to install our Android 10. Check on this and then apply, and then wait for it to be done installing. Accept. Right, it's done installing. Next we need to download is the Android SDK command line and the SDK build tools, which is going to be 30. Yeah, basically the whole version of 30. Don't install those because those are for the Android 10 and above, I mean 11 and above. We only need those, and also we need the NDK, which is going to be 21.6. Don't install again the latest versions, because if you do and try to compile, it will always result in compilation error with the system args thing. I don't know. Yeah, apply and then wait for it until it's done. It's gonna take a while. Alright, once it's done, make sure to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And once you're done, there are some system values that we have to check. Search for environment. Environment. Click on settings. Oh no. Yeah, environment variables. Make sure Java home is set to the correct location, which is JDK 1.8. And the NDK root, both of them set on the same correct link. If you don't know what it is, and you have installed it on the default location, hold Windows +R, type in app data, enter, then go to local Android. This is the SDK. Copy that. Oh wait, hold on. And that's NDK. I mean NDK. Copy that and paste it right here. Both of them. Now once we're done. Alright, now we're done with the Android Studio part. Close that and that. Close all of this stuff. Close everything. Go to your Unreal Engine project. I don't have a project, so I'm going to create one right now real quick. We're going to use simply first person shooter. Start to contact my create project. Right now we're in the project. Go to the project settings, which is in edit, project settings. Scroll down to Android SDK. Make sure all these file locations are on the correct location. For example, the NDK, just like before, how I showed you, Windows +R, data, local Android. This is the SDK. You copy that. Oops. Paste it right here, and then the NDK. Copy the location, paste it right here, and that's it. Oh yeah, the SDK API, replace it with Android 30, and the NDK API to the latest, and then to the Android section, configure this. Configure this. And now for the key store part, go to your browser search for Unreal Key Store, click on the first link, and really all we need from this documentation is this command. Navigate to the bin folder and copy the location, then open cmd, run as administrator, then type in cd, and then control paste. Once we're inside, copy the command, there is only two values that you need to change, the my key and the example key. In this case we're not going to change anything, we're going to keep everything the same as it is. Press enter. The password, I'm just going to write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then your first and last name, just going to write example. The company name, my company, and then your game's name, my game, and then the rest of the stuff. Example, and we're done. Then press Y, enter again. Then the key store has been created. It's going to be saved on the bin file, which is right here. Got that, and navigate to your project files location, and then to build Android and paste it right here. And then once we're done, copy the name of the key store, paste it here, and then the alias name, which was my key, then the password, and then that's it. A couple of things we also have to do before we package to make sure that the game runs. First is the Android package name, type in here your company and then your game's name, which was my game, and then check on this. This will create a separate file of the game for where it's going to save all the variables and stuff. Otherwise sometimes the game gets stuck on the splash screen on your phone when you run the game. If not, you can uncheck this, but for me at least I have this issue for some reason, so put a check on this, and then navigate to the target the supported platforms, make sure the Android is checked, and then to the packaging section, set the build configuration to shipping, check full rebuild, and check for distribution, and then that's it. And then we're done. To package, just go to file, package project Android, choose etc2 because it supports the majority of the Android devices, but if you want to support every single Android device, you can choose the multi, and then that's it, you're done. Just choose the location, select folder, and it's going to start packaging, and that's it, we're done. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, otherwise kinda done. Anyways, goodbye.